But the perfect judge, does perfect justice and perfect righteousness. So we can relax knowing that justice is operational and foundational. Okay. So let's continue.
You're saying God judges people every day.
That's true. God guarantees justice every day. Yes.
So, you said the wicked will be destroyed and judged. And,
Yeah.
everybody's going to, but these people are getting away with this stuff, man. A lot of them are getting away
They're
with
not getting, well, they seem
Even
to
now.
be. They seem to be getting away. The Torah tells us that God is the guarantor of justice. So yeah, so Epstein seems to have escaped justice. Let's say he really died. Let's say that that's the truth, that he died and he didn't pay for all the murders, killings, and all the things that he did.
I
Right?
got news for you.
Yeah.
I got news for you. Epstein, that Britney Spears, she was with them. She says he turned into a reptilian, to a lizard. He's serpent seed, man. He's reptilian, yeah.
All right.
That's why he's escaping justice.
Well, he's not going to escape justice. He's escaping human justice, but human justice is always imperfect. But God's justice is perfect. Yeah.
Well, I also feel that he gives them time to repent too, you know what I mean? Maybe justice may not happen when we want it to, but his plan is higher than ours, and maybe he's giving them time
Well,
to
definitely. That's a definite reason why the rabbis give as to why justice doesn't happen immediately. We should be grateful that it doesn't happen for us immediately either. God has to be just. He gives everybody a chance to repent of what they've done.